thinking I'm recording the whole time.
There's all deer there. And one has an antler.
Hello and good afternoon. Come on. So we're at the barn today and I'm gonna ride. I come 3 times a week usually and I ride this big bad boy. Try to help get him trained for my little sister. Cause he's a baby. We're working on some stuff. He's definitely grown.
He did.
He definitely got taller. He's only 4 and he's super gentle and we gotta fix this mane today because this looks like terrible. Looks like I took a hacksaw to it. Diesel, you're looking mighty fine, my friend. What are you doing? We're gonna do a little training ride today, right, big boy? Yeah. I'll video some of it. Hopefully I don't look awful on camera, but we'll see. My groom today. She's my groom every day. But it's her horse, in all fairness.
And you're riding him.
I know. But I give her little mini lessons every time I ride, so. Kid. Diesel hates when I come to the barn. It's a very big workout for him. How do you feel? Tired. Angelina left us, but in her defense, she left us because she had to take her new horse to the vet, get a full health checkup to see if we're keeping her or not. So, only time will tell and we'll see. Taking a quick walk to my mom's house. Oh, look, there it is. So corny. Going on a walk with my little sister. We're taking a shortcut. Didn't feel like walking all the way around our development and down that huge hill. I had to go a little further on the trail. So we took a shortcut. We're cutting through the field to get to the trail. I love that we both just tripped over that. Like, we're staring at the freaking creek. We were just like, whoop. Oh my god. I want to run like that. Oh, you do. Are you crazy? I'm out of breath walking. If I had a run, I'd be like, I'd have a heart attack. I'm now out of breath. Definitely worked that burger and french fries off now. Oh, don't get my 17 chins. My singular chin. Ooh, what's down over here?
A bench. What's the deal with the horse? Hi, is the horse yes or no? Is the horse a yes or is the horse a no?
No. Just need to take a minute and appreciate just how nice this trail is that literally is on the back of our houses. It goes around our entire town. I love this. This is like my favorite thing about this town. Hi. Are you just sitting on your box? Does anyone else's child do this? You buy all them really nice toys and they just play with the boxes. We love boxes. We sit on them. We push them. We love to play with them.
I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I always played with my toys.
She's like, I am playing with my toys.
It's a booster box. Bluey became a booster box.
Well, everyone, it was a pretty productive day today. Kendall went back to school after her little break. I went riding. I taught my sister a lesson while riding. Went on a nice walk, picked up the baby, had some dinner, and now we're just hanging out on the couch upstairs in the game room while Kendall destroys things. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Don't touch the fish tank.